In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to restore your WordPress site using UpdraftPlus. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Settings, then click UpdraftPlus Backups. Here you'll see all your existing backups. If your backup isn't listed, click Upload Backup Files or rescan remote storage for cloud backups like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once your backup is visible, click Restore next to the date you want. Choose what to restore: plugins, themes, uploads, database or all. Then click Next and restore again. UpdraftPlus will now replace the relevant files and database. After the process finishes, check your site to make sure everything works as expected. You may need to log in again if you restored the database. And that's it, your WordPress site is restored. Regular backups keep your website safe and stress-free.